In today's video, I'll teach you how to change language in BiliBili. So if you want to change the language in BiliBili, it is actually very simple, but unfortunately, you'll not be able to do it in the application. For that, what you have to do is open the browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now tap on the search bar and type in bilibili.tv. Search for it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the official website of BiliBili. Right now English language is chosen for me. So if you want to change the language, tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find the options like history, my list, premium, my profile, system message. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for language. Tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find various language options over here. Simply tap on the language that you would like to change to. Now after you do that, you can see over here the language of BiliBili will be changed. So that is how you change language in BiliBili. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.